How to add Google domain to Shopify quick tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I am going to be telling you and showing you on how you can simply use Google domain for yourself and give your Shopify some flair by adding your very own custom domain to it, which is obviously going to be your very own Google domain. Now, basically, to start things off, what's going to happen is that you are going to need to go ahead and purchase a domain off of Google. Now, let me tell you a little about Google domain. Google domain obviously has officially shut down. You can't really get domains off of Google domain, but Squarespace acquired all domains and registrations related to, your Google domains. Even if I open up Google Domains' very own site up, you're going to be able to see that Google Domains will redirect you to Squarespace. Now, here what happens is they're going to let you know an update on domains. Google no longer offers new domain registrations, but try Squarespace. So, it even tells you on September 7, 2023, Squarespace acquired all domains and registrations and related customer accounts from Google Domains. Customers and domains will be transitioned over the next few months. So, what you're going to do, obviously, if you have current domains on Google Domains, you can go ahead and manage this. But if you don't, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Get a New Domain from Squarespace. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. And here they're going to tell you Squarespace domains, start your domain name and search here. So you can actually search your domains and, get a whole name. And you can even transfer domains, which is pretty incredible. And the best part about Squarespace domains is that it gives you a really good idea of how you can work with things. So what we're going to want to do in this section is we're going to come here and we're going to search something up. So let's say we're going to write any domain. Let's say I'm going to write John Shoes. I'm going to write that and I'm going to click on enter. Now, as you can see, it's going to give me different inputs. So johnshoes.net, johnshoes.org, johnshoes.com. So there's johnssneakers.com, johnsclothes.com. It's going to give me different recommendations with different prices. So what we're going to do in one of these is you're just simply going to go ahead and click on, any one of these that you want. And the fun part about Squarespace domains is that it gives you a whole plethora of domains and even tells you how it works, how you can find a domain. It says the growing independent registrar, whether your domain is connected to Squarespace services, parked, or pointed somewhere else, Squarespace Domains is the most advanced, easy to use registrar on the web, and we're growing the product into a more complete domains management experience every day. Now, let's say, there's this privacy. So, who is privacy? Basically, with a Squarespace domain, free who is privacy is included for all eligible domains. So, if who is privacy is on, your private, you could say, registrations are made. You also get free SSL, which is pretty incredible because not a lot of domains will provide you free SSL. You will have to activate them. Then there's bulk management, which is pretty incredible. Bulk management is whether you have one domain or 100. The refreshed Squarespace domains dashboard makes managing your domains a breeze. Then you have domain forwarding, where you can point your domain name to another address to drive your visitors to a desired landing experience. Then there's email forwarding. Basically, that is when you purchase a domain from Squarespace. You get email forwarding at no extra cost, and you can have up to 100 aliases all included with your domain. And a domain from Squarespace comes with security and privacy included with no hidden fees, which is pretty incredible. You have spam free for holding pages, private professional email from Google Workspace, transfer an existing domain. It's all available when it comes to working with Google domains, or in a new case, Squarespace domains. So how to buy a domain name? Obviously, you're going to start your search over here. So let's say I'm going to write Nike shoes. Okay, I'm just going to write Nike shoes and I want a new URL called Nike shoes. So we could go with Nike-clothes.com, Nike-shoes-outlet.com, Nike-shoes24.com. So let's say I'm going to go with that. So once you go with that, now it says, if you want to get this one domain, you're going to continue to check out. Obviously, most of the domains are $12 per year. So per year, you're going to need to give $12, which is $1 per month. And that is crazy even to think about, that you're just gonna have to pay $1 per month. And that's pretty much the easiest, generalist idea of this. That's the easiest way I can explain it to you, basically. $1 per month, pretty incredible. Then when you're going and buying a domain, it will tell you to log in or continue with an email, because without an email, you will not be able to access an account for your Google domains, or again, Squarespace domains. Now, once you've done that and you've got a domain for yourself, how will you go ahead and connect it to your Shopify? Now, connecting a domain with your Shopify is a whole different story. Now, the reason for that is, when you're connecting a domain with Shopify, you are going to want to use the settings for it, and you can connect any existing domain that you want. It gives you a really good idea of what existing domains work, what don't work, and how you can add Google domains to your Shopify. And that's the best part about using Google domains. It works much better, it works much easier, and it has a really nice touch to it. It has a really general and good ideal touch to it. Okay. Now, moving on, what you can do once you go through all of this, you can come to your settings. And once you come to your settings, what you can do from here is, you're simply going to go over ahead to your domains, and you can find your domains over here. And in your domains, here it says buy or connect a domain, secure the perfect domain for your store that customers can trust and find easily. You can also buy a new domain from Shopify, or connect a domain you already purchased from a third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy. So obviously right now it says Google Domains, meaning that, hey, we can't actually use it. So what you're simply going to be doing, obviously you can buy a whole new domain off of your Shopify. So let's say I'm going to write Nike Shoes 24. I'm going to write that, and you're going to see that it is available and we can use it for ourselves. So NikeShoes24.com, NikeShoes24.net, NikeShoes24.org. So it's all available, and that's pretty incredible, right? But if you want to connect your existing Google domain, you're simply going to go ahead, click on connect existing. You're going to add the domain. So I'm going to write NikeShoes24.com. You're going to write that here, click on enter. And once you click on enter, obviously you're going to go ahead and yeah, you're going to start connecting your domain, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will be making a whole lot more for you. But yeah, that's the general idea about how you can connect your existing Google domain to Shopify in the easiest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.